Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome everyone to Unit 4 Marketing. In this unit, we are going to cover some essential skills that will help you confidently express and support your opinions, especially in group discussion. By the end of this session, you will have the tools to effectively participate in conversations, evaluate claims, and give your opinion in a persuasive way. Let's start with our first objective, gathering information and ideas to state and support your opinions in a group discussion on advertising. Advertising is something we're all exposed to, whether it's on TV, social media, or in magazines. Today, you will learn how to take the information you know about advertising and express your thoughts clearly, using real examples to back up your opinions. This will help you become a more effective communicator in discussions, especially on complex topics like advertising. Next, we will focus on taking notes using a map to organize opinions. Taking notes isn't just about writing everything down. It's about structuring your ideas in a way that makes sense by using a mapping technique, where you create a visual layout of your ideas. You can organize different opinions and supporting evidence clearly. This method will help you keep track of various points during group discussions and make it easier to refer back to your notes when you need to. Now, let's move on to listening for identifying facts and opinion. In discussion, it's important to know the difference between what's a fact and what's just someone's opinion. Facts are objective and variable. Okay, objective. While opinions are personal interpretations, we'll all practice distinguishing between these two so you can respond appropriately during discussions and understanding the weight of each statement. Following that, we will cover evaluating the truthfulness of claims, especially in the context of advertising. Advertisements often make bold statements, but are they always truthful? You'll learn how to critically evaluate these claims by asking the right questions and looking for supporting evidence. This will make you a more discerning listener and thinker, whether you're reading an ad or engaging in a debate. Another crucial skill is using context clues to identify meaning. Sometimes you come across words or phrases you don't immediately understand, but by looking at the words around them, you can often figure out what they mean. You'll work on exercises that help you use context to determine meaning, which is a valuable skill in both reading and listening. Next, we'll focus on expressing attitude. In conversations, how you say something is just as important as what you say. Today, we will learn phrases that express attitude, such as showing enthusiasm, frustration, or agreement. And we'll practice using these in discussions, expressing your attitude effectively. can make your communication more engaging and persuasive. Another skill that will improve your speaking is using intonation in questions. Intonation refers to the rise and fall of your voice when speaking, which can completely change the meaning of a question. For example, let's see. A rising intonation might suggest that you're asking for confirmation, while a falling intonation makes your question sounds more like a statement. You will practice using intonation to make your question clearer and more engaging. Finally, we'll cover how to give and support your opinion. It's not enough just to say what you think. You also need to explain why you think it. You'll learn uh, useful phrases like, in my opinion, or I believe this because, to structure your argument clearly. You will practice supporting your opinions with reasons and examples, which will make your points more convincing in any discussion. In summary, today we have learned how to gather information, structure your opinions using note maps, distinguish between fact and opinions, evaluate the truthfulness of claims, use context clues, express attitude, apply intonation in questions, and give strong, well-supported opinions. These are all practical skills that you can start using right away, both in your academic life and in everyday conversation. That's the end of the video. Thank you all for listening and have a good day.